Why didn't you answer?
Sorry, my phone was off. Why?
Why? You've gone bloody viral, that's why.
Yeah, you're everywhere. Future girl, that's what they're calling you.
Sid, sa'n deall? There's more. Anyone asking about me?
Not asking about you.
What? What is it? What video?
Max, you with Eva? She's not answering. Eva!
Eva, you're bloody everywhere.
Have you seen it?
Have you seen you talking about me? You. But not you talking to Max.
Talking about you? What is she on about?
Just show her.
Show her the video.
That one.
I'm trying to get to Blind of Festiniog in time. Max, if I don't get home, tell Alicia the Swansea in 30 years will blow her mind.
That's her. She's there. That's our Eva. She's in your time.
Told you.
What does she mean? You mean about Swansea?
Bleidlais Festiniog?
Yeah, well, that's what she said. But why then?
I don't know, but I've got to get there too.
No, hold on. This could be massive.
All right, yeah. Speak later, is it?
But have you seen how far that is? That's like north, like proper Gogledd, you know?
Why? Why?
My nan. She had to answer a message from Ivan.
Wait, the man in the video in the market.
Yes. And he said, if I want to get back, I have to go to Bleidlais Festiniog. So.
Oh my God, it's the same place Thomas, the blogger, he lives there.
Well, you're lying.
He said it's my only chance.
Okay. Okay. So what do we do now?
What else can I do? I have to get there. No, it's okay, you don't have to come too.
Yeah, we do, actually. That's where our Eva's trying to get to.
And?
And if you guys are gonna like switch back or whatever, then when she gets back, she's gonna need us. We need to be there for both of you.
This is pretty amazing, Eva. Like, you would have seen the future twice. Like, as you and you, but you know, like, our you. But like, bro, this is massive.
No, it's not. It's bad. If that video has gone viral, if people know, then they'll want to find out all that I know. Companies, the government, just think what they can know, what they can find out. I can't see it. I can't see it. I can't see it.
Don't worry. We'll figure it out. Won't we?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Fine.
time is now, so now's the time. I know the solution is there in our minds. Forget the pollution that you've caught in time. Yo, forget the illusions, I'll come in with signs. I'm coming for what's mine.